video where you can see how to create variable alarm text in your HMI device. Okay, as first I create some basic alarm code, PLC code in our PLC program, where, how you can see, when the temperature is bigger than 95 degree, and here is the 3-second delay of this event, then we trigger the 0 bit in our alarm word, and then we show this alarm in this alarm view. Okay, as first we create the HMI alarm. We go to the HMI alarms, add new discrete alarm, and as the alarm text, for example, we have temperature is too high. Okay, the trigger tag of this alarm is the tag alarm word and the 0 bit of this tag. This one is connected with this one in the PLC code. So we go to the properties of this alarm, and in the trigger option of this alarm we insert the alarm word tag and the bit number 0. Okay, now I go back to the screen and also I show the alarm status of the event of this alarm, and also we use alarm buffer to see the history of the alarms. Okay, and now I can try to simulate this alarm. Okay, we start the runtime of this HMI. How you can see, temperature is bigger than 95, and the high limit is over the high limit is 95, actual temperature is 96, so event is triggered. And here you can see the alarm, temperature is too high. We go lower with the temperature, and how you can see now the temperature is lower than the limit, 95 degree, and here is the outcoming event which show the temperature is now good. Okay, so now we try to make something like that. We show the alarm text of the temperature alarm event, but also in the text of the alarm we show the temperature and which user was locked when this event created, when this alarm was triggered. So for this I create some user login logout buttons, and here we show the name of the logged in user. And now we go back to the HMI alarms window, and here after this text we insert another text where we insert the temperature and also username. So when we want to insert the value of the temperature in the alarm view, you just click by the right button on your mouse and click on the insert tag field. Here as a tag we use temperature, which is linked to the temperature tag in our PLC program. Okay, and also we insert the username, and here we have the warning. This value is invalid. This is because the display type we need the text. Okay, and we for example use the length of this string to 20 characters. Okay, so when the alarm event was triggered, then the alarm text show also the temperature of the event when this event occur, and also show which user was logged in when the alarm event was triggered. Okay, we save the changes, go back to the HMI screen and start the runtime. So as first I logged in as a Peter. I create two users, one is Peter and second is John. First we log on as a Peter. Okay, how you can see Peter is logged in, and now I trigger the alarm event. For example, I insert the 99-degree value, waiting 3 seconds, what is delay of this alarm, and how you can see temperature is too high. The temperature when the alarm was triggered was 99 and the user was Peter. Okay, now we clear the alarm. How you can see, this alarm is outgoing. Now I try to log in as a John user. Okay, I log out, log in again as a John, and now I again trigger the event temperature. For example, 96°, what is bigger than the 95. And how you can see, after 3 seconds the alarm event is triggered. But now how you can see, there is the different value of the temperature, 96. But now this event was triggered when the John was logged in the user as a user in the system of the HMI. By this you can see what was the value of the tag which trigger your HMI alarm, and also which user was logged in the HMI when this alarm occur. You can also insert the text list to your alarm text, and we use it, for example, to see the changes between the incoming event and outgoing event of this alarm, because when the outgoing event is shown in the alarm view, there is also text temperature is too high, but that is not true. So we create a text list. For example, the name is temperature status, and the entries of this text list will be the value of the temperature when the value is between 0 and 95°. Then temperature is too high. Oh, sorry. This one will be here, where the temperature is between 96 and I don't know 2000. For us, is temperature is bigger than the 96 degree, and when the temperature is between 0 and 95, okay, we little bit change it, like no, it's right like that. Okay, so when the temperature is between 0 and 95, then the temperature is again normal. For example, this will be our text of the alarm text. So okay, we save the changes, go back to the HMI alarms, and this we delete, and by the right click and clicking on the insert text list field, we insert here the text of our created text list. So we insert here text list temperature status, and the tag which control this text list will be our temperature, which trigger this event. So, and length we use, for example, 50. OK button, save the project, and now we can go back to the runtime and try the changes. So I logged in as a John. Okay, now I trigger the event. So I insert the temperature which is bigger than 95, for example 120. Okay, and after the delay the alarm is triggered. How you can see, temperature is too high, and we have the value of the temperature and the locked user. Now we go with the temperature under the 95 degree, for example 66, and here we have the outgoing status, outgoing event, and also we see the changes in the text of our alarm text, and here is temperature is again normal, and also we have the values of the temperature and the username. So when it's temperature bigger than 95 degree, we show the text temperature is too high, and when the temperature is lower than 95 degree and this means this is the outgoing alarm, outgoing event, then we show this part of text list in our alarm text. Temperature is again normal. So okay, this is all for this video, where we shown how to work and create variable alarm text in your HMI project, and also how it looks in the HMI runtime. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.